Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. Have you ever wanted to have a simple conversation in English, but didn't know how to answer common questions? Don't worry. In today's lesson, you're going to learn 50 common English questions and answers that people use in everyday conversations. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to practice these questions and answers every day. Let's get started. Question 1. What's your name? Answer. My name is Maya. Question 2. How are you? Answer. I'm fine, thank you. Question 3. Where are you from? Answer. I'm from Sri Lanka. Question 4. How old are you? Answer. I'm 20 years old. Question 5. What do you do? Answer. I'm a student. Question 6. Do you speak English? Answer. Yes, I do. Question 7. Can you help me? Answer. Of course. Question 8. What time is it? Answer. It's 3 o'clock. Question 9. Are you busy? Answer. No, I'm not. Question 10. Do you like coffee? Answer. Yes, I do. Great job. Let's continue. Question 11. What are you doing? Answer. I'm studying English. Question 12. Where do you live? Answer. I live in Colombo. Question 13. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Answer. Yes, I do. Question 14. What's your favorite food? Answer. My favorite food is rice and curry. Question 15. Do you like music? Answer. Yes, I love music. Question 16. What's your favorite color? Answer. My favorite color is blue. Question 17. Can you drive? Answer. Yes, I can. Question 18. Do you have a pet? Answer. Yes, I have a dog. Question 19. What's the weather like today? Answer. It's sunny today. Question 20. Are you hungry? Answer. Yes, I am. Excellent. Now let's learn 20 more. Question 21. What did you do yesterday? Answer. I stayed at home. Question 22. What are your hobbies? Answer. I enjoy reading and watching movies. Question 23. Do you exercise? Answer. Yes, I do. Question 24. What is your favorite movie? Answer. My favorite movie is Avatar. Question 25. Can you swim? Answer. Yes, I can. Question 26. What are you looking for? Answer. I'm looking for my phone. Question 27. Do you like traveling? Answer. Yes, I do. Question 28. Have you finished your work? Answer. Yes, I have. Question 29. Are you tired? Answer. A little bit. Question 30. What are your plans for tomorrow? Answer. I'm going to study English. Question 31. Do you watch YouTube? Answer. Yes, every day. Question 32. What's your favorite sport? Answer. My favorite sport is cricket. Question 33. Can I ask you a question? Answer. Sure. Question 34. How often do you practice English? Answer. Every day. Question 35. Do you like learning English? Answer. Yes, I do. Question 36. What's your dream job? Answer. I want to be a teacher. Question 37. Do you work or study? Answer. I study. Question 38. What's your phone number? Answer. Sorry, I'd rather not share it. Question 39. Do you enjoy reading books? Answer. Yes, I do. Question 40. What do you usually do on weekends? Answer. I spend time with my family. Fantastic. Let's finish with the last 10 questions. Question 41. Are you ready? Answer. Yes, I'm ready. Question 42. Do you understand? Answer. Yes, I understand. Question 43. Can you repeat that? Answer. Sure. Question 44. What does this word mean? Answer. It means something important. Question 45. Do you need help? Answer. Yes, please. Question 46. How was your day? Answer. It was great. Question 47. Are you happy? Answer. Yes, I am. Question 48. What would you like to eat? Answer. I'd like some pizza. Question 49. Do you have any questions? Answer. Not right now. Question 50. Are you learning English? Answer. Yes, and I'm improving every day. Awesome! You have just learned 50 common English questions and answers that you can use in real-life conversations. But remember, don't just watch this video once. Listen again. Repeat the answers out loud and practice every day. The more you use these questions and answers, the more confident you'll become. Now here's today's challenge. Choose your favorite question from this lesson and answer it in the comments below. I'd love to read your answers. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Thank you for watching Speed English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving your English every day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.